The mother, she kind of had an idea that he had never left the No Frills. I don't know how she came up with that idea, but you know, they were pretty upset.
I don't hear about these type of cases, people found in walls, especially in this area. So that would be the odd part about it. We have missing persons all the time, but